Alright guys, so this is going to be our best of 2021 video. We both had a lot of highlights this year, and the way this video is going to be set up is it's going to start from the beginning of the year and work down to our latest video. So hope you guys like it.
We want to thank you for all your guys' support throughout the year, watching all the videos, and we hope you liked our final recap of our highlights this year.
That was good, bro. You want me to bend this tree a little bit so, like, as it gets...
Just a little. Hold on, just...
I'll wait for it to...
Make sure it doesn't fall on the floor.
I'll catch it.
It's not full. Alright, here we go. Just set it on the driveway, we can trim the branches.
Alright guys, so this is our fort idea, or fishing hut. So what we're going to have is this branch all the way down there with a cross, so it's like crossed, and then we have these branches coming up, and we're just going to fill in 2 walls and make it a really big fort. And Max, sit down in there. Look, we have a lot of room. Even if he's standing, like, we're going to have a lot of room just in here. So we're going to get some walls up and see you there. So guys, this is what we have so far. We still need to fill in that half, well, third, but as you can see, we're gonna have some room in here.
Now guys, we're just working on finishing the siding. Right where Will is, we're gonna stick 1 or 2 in there, and then we'll fill in the back and we'll start sticking some insulation, I guess, in.
We're gonna have a lot of room in this thing.
Yep.
Alright guys, so we're going to get some more insulation from the evergreen trees. If we got all these gone, we could use them as a freaking base.
So this is it, guys. This is one of the sides. Will's gonna walk in front of me, and I'll kind of try to walk to the side of him here and show you the result of the inside here. Kind of just straight back. We started kind of insulating the floor, but it's starting to get dark, so I didn't get a lot of it. And here's the other side that we started to do. Pretty much finished this side. All but a couple little holes that we have to patch, and then can go inside, and I guess I can have Will stand in there if you want to. If you guys can see him, he's standing straight up, so yeah, I made it a decent size, I would say.
Yeah, I really like it. It really, like, me laying down doesn't even take up a fourth of it.
Yeah, so, right by the creek.
Yeah, right by the creek, nice fishing hut. We can hang out in here and then fish for the rest. But we still have some holes at the top and on the sides we can patch, but it's getting a little dark to film, so I think this is it. Alright guys, so some of these changes we made were that we brushed it in more. On camera it still looks like you can see through it, but trust me, it's pretty compacted in here. And we also laid this tarp down, so we're not just laying on the plain ground. But what we also did was out here, we made a nice little fireplace. Stay tuned, we're gonna make a fire out here. Alright guys, so we made it down. As you can see, it is pitch black out. And so it's gonna get a little bit chilly tonight, so we're gonna start a fire here.
What's up, guys? We're here. We're kind of just chilling by the fire now. We got it all set up, and we're just gonna wait a little bit and keep adding to the fire. So we'll see you in a little bit, I guess.
Alright guys, so we got the fire out. We're laying down in our sleeping bags right now in our fort, and what time is it? Around probably 8:30.
Yeah.
Then 8:30 we're getting some hand warmers ready because we'll check the temperature here real quick, but we're getting some hand warmers and we're gonna get some snacks and drinks and then watch them get on our phones and then we'll go to bed.
I'll check the temperature here real quick. You can see that, but it says it's 45. Feels a little lower than that,
But yeah, as you can see, we can see our breath though, so. And it's supposed to get a little colder as the night goes on, so we're gonna get warm here and hopefully stay warm. Alright guys, it's 7 o'clock. We just got up here. It's a little chilly. We're gonna keep our sleeping stuff on and I think we're gonna try to make a fire here.
Alright guys, I'm reusing a Panther Martin spinner. It's got a red and yellow body and then a nice silver blade, so hopefully that can get them today. That's my dad.
He's gonna catch him. They're right there.
Dad, we've seen him jumping right there. Fish off.
What's that?
Let's go. I got your net.
It's a chub.
No, it's a rainbow.
Yeah.
Let's go.
You want to bring it to the other side?
Let's go. Oh, he's cold.
Yeah. Hopefully we can get this out without him bleeding. You can take my picture if you want.
Yeah. Alright guys, Max just got this nice rainbow. I'll hold it up for you. Yeah, it's right there. It won't be long. Oh, what? Oh, these things are all dirty. Here, get them in the net and wash them off.
That's what I was gonna do.
Let's go. Your dad doesn't even know. You probably heard the splash. Bro, let's go. Let's get sweet, bro.
Dad, I got one.
Let's go, Max. Bring him up here. Look how, that's a good rainbow. Okay.
What are you stuck on?
This tree right here.
The big one?
Yeah.
So if I walk out,
Oh, that's them.
like that big tree.
No, that's one right here.
Well, if you're fishing that hole over there, how did you get stuck up here?
I threw it in here, so I let it fall down. And it got stuck in the tree. I see it. Stay coming. I can make it though. That was close.
I'm so glad I'm recording this.
It's almost like he tried to do that. I mean, we saw that coming. It's like, hey, I'm going to show everybody how you get stuck in a tree.
God.
Don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing's gonna be alright. Don't worry about a thing. Every little thing.
You're so filming.
Am I? This footage is gonna be the best.
It's gonna be hilarious.
Keep it up for the bloopers video.
I say we head back. I don't know my dad, but
Hi guys. If you look closely, you can see Will is back there. We are going to leave this spot because there are absolutely no fish in this creek at all. I mean, we've been out, what, 5 hours now? 5.5 hours? Haven't even seen a fish. So, to be honest, I mean, I saw a dead one. That's about it. So, there's nothing out here. Just stop watching the video now if you're still there.
yourself ready, Max. Yeah. Cock the gun. And put it on safe. Okay, wait, Max, wait. Don't move. Make sure it has a beard. Don't move, don't move. Oh, Will, they're working left. They're right out here, Will. Will, get your gun up. Can you see them? Hold up, Max. Don't move. Don't move. They're coming in right. Will, it's your shot. Okay. Wait. Yeah. Wait, wait. Huh? I know, I'm sorry, man.
It's all good, it's all good.
And the other one I just chased off. Take us out to the edge of the field. Oh, there he is.
my god, that happened out of nowhere. Nothing was fired up now. Oh my. Dad, I saw that hen and it circled. It came right to the decoy.
I know, buddy.
I think. Maybe not. Flatty. Small flatty. Well, yeah, it's flatty.
Oh, get ready. Get down.
Now?
Well. Yeah, he's on.
Yeah.
Got him?
Oh my. Oh,
You
oh
good?
my. Yep, a big one.
You fight him. I'm gonna get this one out of there.
Mm-hmm.
Come back alongside the boat now if you need to.
It's a good one. Oh, it's a turtle. Snapping turtle.
It is a snapping turtle.
We have to cut the line.
Yep.
Oh my, hey, that's my first snapping turtle. Fought like a monster though.
Yeah, bring him in. Up alongside the boat and I'll just see.
That's what was playing with it.
Yep, you're right.
That's annoying.
Yeah. Thought you had something good.
How did we double up with the flathead and a snapping turtle? And a channel catfish tournament.
Raise up higher.
Yeah. Oh my god.
Is he on?
Oh my gosh.
What? Did he bend in half?
Oh my god, yes. The line's all the way.
Rip it, reel it. He might have come. Is he on?
He's still on.
Yeah. Bring him in.
This doesn't feel terribly big,
Okay.
but maybe he's just kind of running at me.
Oh, that's a decent one.
Yeah.
Bring right alongside here. Okay, raise. Yep.
Ready?
Don't pick the one rod. Nope. Okay.
Let's go. That's two good ones,
Decent. They're not monsters.
but they're gonna help.
Right, it's down.
Yeah,
You hooked up?
yeah.
Not a good one here, buddy.
All right.
No. How's yours?
It's okay. It's coming towards me. I'm not sure though. Oh,
How is it?
I can't see. I don't think it's a big.
Oh, it's a good one. Nope, it's not.
Just caught a massive bass. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Will just caught a massive bass.
Let's get the good camera on this thing. Caught a massive bass. Oh my god.
Oh my god! Oh my god!
Will just caught a massive bass.
Oh my gosh, guys!
Hold on. Let's get the good camera on this thing.
Look, bluegill right in its mouth.
That's what we've been wanting all day today.
All day.
We finally got it.
Guys,
That completes the vid. We're gonna keep trying to get another one, but that's insane.
Understand.
Keep it in.
My dad's like, you guys make it sound like when you come here, you catch massive fish. And we have a nice bass on there. Yeah. Oh, that was on film. Just right in the corner of the mouth.
Perfect mix-up. That was quick too.
Yeah.
That's good.
Right in the corner.
That's how it would
Oh,
have gone.
bluegill's gone.
Yeah, bluegill's gone. That's how it would have gone the other time, but I missed a couple.
Right in the corner of the mouth.
Up on a big one. The rod is going crazy.
Oh my god! Oh my god!
Yo! Guys!
Look at the hook though. Oh my god. Oh my god. Bro, go get the big camera. Go get it. I couldn't record or anything.
Before I show you this, Will just caught his new PB
It's the
again.
biggest
Show the stomach.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
This is crazy.
This is my biggest bass ever. Not even close.
Like, hand to it.
The belly though.
My hand
Like
barely
my
covers it. Oh my goodness. Whew.
I couldn't get it on film. It happened so quick. I saw it swim right out here. So I reeled in the bluegill. Casted it out to where I thought it swam. And it ate it. It went...
Here, hold it up. This is something. Hold the stomach out. Woo. Alright, dip them in the water real quick. Here's the release on the behemoth.
One last look at her.
She is giant.
Massive.
So, let's hopefully, it's a little shady here, but
We'll give her as much time.
he doesn't even know how to hold her.
It's so big.
There it goes. I'm gonna try to catch these.
You know it's a big fish when you have bass marks down here. Not at your thumb, down here.
Yeah.
had it right up through here. That's how much is in it.
I smell something.
Right here.
I see it.
The other side of him. Oh, he's sitting on it now.
He's a 6.
Yes, he is. He's not lopsided.
He's a 6. He's bigger than lopsided.
Yeah, you.
He didn't make it to the creek.
We knew he had to.
Yep.
Oh,
This small group's gonna do it. We're gonna hit that field, dude. Yeah, it's down.
Oh my God, Dad. There they come.
Freaking cool.
Kill him. Kill him.
Done?
We got one. One.
I'll go look.
Kill him in front, kill him. All right, let me see. 1, 2.
I think I got 2. There's 3 now.
There's 3 down.
Wait, we got a 4th one going down here. Watch that, watch that. Yep, there he goes. Drop.